Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change font size and format text in the Notes app on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information like text, checklists, images, and scanned documents. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your notes on the main page. Tap on any note you want to edit. Now, tap and hold to select a word or text that you want to format. Drag the selection handles to highlight more text if needed. Once the text is selected, tap the font icon or formatting menu that appears just above the keyboard. This is the Notes text formatting toolbar. Here you'll see various formatting options to change your text appearance. To make text larger, tap the A+ option, which increase the font size. You can also make text bold, italic, or underlined by tapping those icons. Try out different formatting styles until you find the look you want for your note. Once you're done formatting, tap tick at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's how you change font size and format text in Notes. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Notes app tutorials. Thanks for watching.